Every day is a blessing, a new chance to fly. Oh, I'm touching the sky.